Oh, no.
This is like Hunter. Alright, watch.
Bug.
Mackenzie, stop.
Bag. No, you got a big by yourself. Bag just like that. Wait.
Look at his balancing. He's moving a little bit.
Wait for it.
Alright, drop it.
He'll jump. Here.
Throw it, maybe he'll catch it.
Sit.
Bug.
Shut up. Stay. Stay. Got to put up your lip. Come here.
Oh no.
Come here. Up. Stay. Get back. Get back.
Michael.
Stay. Here. Come here.
What are you doing?
Stay.
Wait.
Stay.
Wait.
Twitch that lip. Come here. Come here. I'll give you a little piece. Good boy. Relax. Come here.
Yeah, that's a new one. I have never tried
Oh,
that. He'll bite.
No, don't worry about that. He wants to still on. Put it up in his flap.
No.
Yeah, still good.
No, 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 no.
Michael.
You dig at the meat. Hold his flap open.
It looks like
Get back.
Frankie's face.
Get back. Get back.
What
I'll try to distract him.
He won't. Wait.
Stay.
Wait.
There you go. I'll
Wait.
smash his flap in a little bit. Look at. Oh, he didn't do it.
What is he supposed to do?
I'll show you if I can even do it.
No.
Speak. 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 Stay. Yep.
Put it on his
Sit.
nose. I want to see it on the nose.
Stay.
Wait.
Stay.
Wait.
Wait.
Back, back,
Wait.
back, back,
Come here.
back,
Here.
You gotta lift his.
Come here. Don't you wrinkle that nose at me. Come here. Sit. Stay.
Stay.
Stay. Good boy. Stay.
You're okay.
Monkey, I'll help you. Are you okay?
Wait. Stay.
No, Stubby, sitting still.
Stay.